Hey guys, it's Mike at Narc Selected Customs. I got tired of the hater pipe. It was too hard to drive around on, and I wanted to put the hood back on. So I figured I'd throw the camera on record and bring you guys a video of putting the exhaust back on, plus the way we rerouted. Woo! That was interesting. The way we rerouted the wastegate dump, but we also took, in the opening shot, if you'll look, you'll see just plumes of black smoke firing out of the exhaust. I'll replay it right now. And then you'll see plumes of it coming out. So basically what was happening is we were getting to like at least 20 pounds of boost in the engine, and we're obviously not tuned for that. So we had tuned everything for 13 pounds, so we took the extra spring out. We went from 3 to 2 springs. So I figured I'd throw that in and let you guys see that. So, all right, enough of my blabbing, let's get to work. I almost hit Steven in the nuts for the last time.
Oh, good.
Like a glove.
That really hurts.
Yeah. Did I hit you in the leg with that?
No. Go offset my side now. Ready? You want to get the line on there?
Dude, that worked perfect. Why didn't I do that taking them some bitches off? Right there, so I take it back to the house. Just a little bit. I'll take that gap all day. What? Where can I get down there? Oh, right. Yeah, I'm doing that. Here you go. Just gotta be nice enough. Line it up. Am I good? Oh, time to break it loose. Couple back up. Yeah, yeah. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Subscribe to the channel. All right, guys, thanks for watching. We certainly appreciate that. We'd also appreciate it if you'd subscribe. We post on YouTube every Tuesday and Friday night at 7, but we post daily on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. All right, thanks, guys.